If you're in a tizzy over what to do about your roof-raising mortgage, now is the time to change that before heading into the new year. Ideal Home Loans can move you into your new payments in just 3 weeks. With the tough economy still lingering, don't wait any longer to make a change in 2011. If you sign up with Ideal Home Loans to make your home mortgage lower, you'll close in January, and then not one single payment is due until March. Here with the good news this holiday is Brent Ivinson. It's nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
You bring joy, happy here to the show because this is an important time. Mortgage rates are lower than we've seen in years. Break that down for me.
They are. You know, mortgage rates are still at historic lows. While we've seen rates creep up over the last 3.5 weeks, we're still below 5% on a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage. We're still in the low 4s on 15- and 20-year mortgages, and where that really benefits people is they can save a significant amount of money each and every month.
Let's talk more about the benefits. Why is that so exciting for our viewers, and why is right now a great time to refinance?
Well, it's a great time to refinance, one, because of where the rates are. You can lower your monthly payment. That's money you can put back in your own pocket rather than mailing it into your bank. The other thing that we have available right now, because of where rates are at, a lot of people can step out of a 30-year loan and into a 20 or a 15-year loan and save themselves significantly by shortening the term of their mortgage.
Could you imagine having your home paid for half the time that you originally planned just by making that one phone call, 303-867-7000? Walk me through the process when we do make that phone call and call Ideal Home Loans.
When you call our office initially, you're going to spend time on the phone with one of our loan officers. They're all licensed. They've all gone through a background check. They're all bonded and insured with the state. So you're dealing with somebody who's a professional who's had to go through testing and a screening process. They're going to find a lot about what you're trying to accomplish short-term and long-term. Everybody's needs are different, and what we want to do is put together a mortgage product that not only works for you today, but works for you 10 or 15 years from now as well. We're going to find out how long you want to be in your home, what's going to work best for you. Are we looking at a short-term solution, a long-term solution? Is a 30-year mortgage going to work better for your budget? Are you somebody who's maybe looking to shorten your term and you want to look at a 15 or a 20-year? Those are all things we're going to discuss, and we're going to disclose everything to you in writing when we finally get to the point where we put something together. That way you can look at all the numbers and understand exactly what it is we're doing for you.
Yes, this is a company you can trust, Ideal Home Loans, and what's really valuable is when you call the number, you get that free mortgage consultation.
That's right. When you call, it costs you nothing to talk to one of our loan officers. They can look at your situation. They can tell you that, hey, if you're in a great situation, it doesn't make sense for you to refinance, then you have the peace of mind of knowing that it's something you don't need to worry about and it's something that you're in the best possible situation you can be in. If we can save you some money, the benefit is it's money you're putting back in your pocket each and every month rather than mailing it in on your mortgage and sending it to your bank.
Tell me more about if we call, we refinance, we can be ready by January, and we don't have to make a payment until when?
We don't have to make a payment until March of 2011 on your new mortgage. So timing is everything on this. If you call and get the process started with us right now, we can close your loan in the first part of January, get through the holidays, get your loan closed right after that, and then you start saving money with no payment on your new mortgage until March of 2011.
That's super exciting.
It works out great for the holidays for a lot of people.
Oh, heck yeah. And what's the difference between a mortgage banker and a mortgage broker?
We're a mortgage banker. The big difference is we're in control of the entire process right in our office. We're lending our own money. So when we give our clients timelines, updates, it's coming directly internally from our organization. A mortgage broker acts as a middleman between the consumer and a bank. So they're out trying to negotiate the best possible deal for the consumer, working among 4 or 5 different banks. We have the ability to lend money as a bank and ultimately place that with 4 or 5 different places, but when not including the mortgage broker and dealing with a bank like us, you eliminate the middleman. Anytime you eliminate the middleman, you eliminate costs and expense. What that translates into with Ideal Home Loans is lower fees, lower interest rates, and ultimately lower payments, and we can close your loan in as little as 3 weeks.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. It saves you a lot of time, but it also saves you money.
Absolutely.
I mean, major money.
Definitely.
What if someone's watching right now and they're like, I really want to call Ideal Home Loans. This sounds perfect. I'd love to save money, not make a payment until March, but I owe more on my home than it's actually worth.
Right. There's a lot of people in that situation, unfortunately. And so there's a couple of products that have come to the forefront to help those individuals out. It'll allow you to borrow 105% of your home's current appraised value. Now, I know a lot of listeners out there thinking, well, what if I have a second mortgage? That's fine. We can come in, refinance your first, get you to take advantage of lower rates, lower your monthly payment, and leave your second mortgage intact exactly as it is right now. The idea behind this product that's available, was to help stave off foreclosures, help people who are upside down by no fault of their own. They're a victim of what's gone on in the housing market, but still let them save money so they can ride out the storm until property values eventually come back.
And your website, it's idealhomeloans.com, really easy to navigate. What will we find on the website?
It is. It's very easy to navigate. It's a simple application process. It's a secure website, so you can feel comfortable giving your information on that, providing us everything we need so that we can get started and put together a mortgage transaction that makes sense for you and solves all your problems and really is a solution. So you can log on. It's very simple. It's laid out very easily. And to the other point, if you'd like to call and talk to someone face-to-face, we have a lot of people that this process can be intimidating. We can accommodate that as well, and you certainly can come in and sit down with one of our loan officers.
And it's free, a free mortgage consultation, 303-867-7000. Where do you see the mortgage lending going in the next 6 months?
You know, unfortunately, we're going to continue to see some tightening. We've seen a lot of tightening in the last couple of years. Guidelines are tightening, product parameters are tightening. And that's going to continue. That's a component of the marketplace. So to give yourself the best possible opportunity to get your home refinanced or to buy a new home, you want to call us right away because as time goes on, not only are we dealing with credit tightening, but we're also going to be dealing with rising interest rates. We almost always see rates go up right at the end of the year and the first part of the new year. You don't want to get caught up in that cycle. You want to save as much as possible, and that means calling us right away.
Does everyone qualify?
Not everybody does qualify. You know, as I mentioned, it's definitely more difficult to get a loan now than it was 2 or 3 years ago. However, if you don't qualify, our loan officers will talk to you about what you need to do and what specifically you can work on so we can get you in a position so that you can qualify down the line.
And you're not going to find this free consultation anyplace else. You pick up the phone, 303-867-7000. Where are the interest rates? Where is it sitting
right now?
Today?
30-year fixed rates this morning are at 4.75%.
Okay.
20-year rates are at 4.375, and 15-year rates are still at 4.25. So if you're looking at a 15, a 20, or a 30, we're still below 5%. It's still a fantastic time to take advantage.
Plus, you don't make that payment again until March.
Right. No
so you
payment
can
on
save
your
money, a
until
lot
March.
of money. Thank you. Good news.
Great.
All right. It doesn't cost to call or go online to see about lowering your mortgage with Ideal Home Loans. Their phone number, it's 303-867-7000. Set up your free mortgage consultation. Call today. And really, now is the perfect time with historic mortgage lows to save on your monthly payment. Ideal Home Loans can have you saving money in just 3 weeks. Sign up today, close in January, and then your first payment is not due until March. Remember, Ideal Home Loans offers low rates with a quicker turnaround time to put cash back in your wallet. The number again, 303-867-7000. The web address, idealhomeloans.com. And this segment was paid for by Ideal Home Loans.